Good morning, students. Welcome to the English class of Bharti Boarding School. My name is Chitrita Mukherjee. Today I will teach you the chapter Wonderful West. The PowerPoint presentation here, that is Wonderful West. Okay. Uh,
Yes.
okay. I am going to the next slide. Okay. So there is the question: what is West? Okay, so we are going to read the chapter whose title is Wonderful West. So we must know what is a West. Can you say me what is West?
Yes, ma'am.
Say.
The waste is anything which we gentle divide to throw away. It is any substance which discard after primary use.
Yes. So waste is anything which we generally decide to throw away. It is any substance which is discarded after primary use. Okay, so we don't need it anymore. Waste is something that we need no more. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So, next question is, what shall we learn from the story or the significance of the title? So here is the title is the Wonderful West. So maybe the West is something that we are going to make for any purpose. Okay. So what is the significance of that title, or what shall we learn from this story? Okay, so here, can you say me in your own words, not seeing the slides, just say in your own words that what have we learned from the story? You have already read the story.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
The story of Wonderful Waste tell us a great deals about
No,
recycle.
you don't see the slide, you just say in your own words. Okay, don't read from here. Say in your own words. Try just say. Say in your own words what you have learned from the story. Okay.
Ma'am, I tell Hindi.
No. This is English class. You must speak in English.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I done this story.
Hmm. Say, dear.
Ma'am, I run this story. Well, is make a wonderful waste.
Yes, made up of Wests. And what next you have learned?
Ma'am,
That we can reuse the waste in a creative way, right?
yes,
Okay, so come to the slide. There it is written: the story of Wonderful West tells us a great deal about recycling and how we can get creative and not let anything go to waste. Moreover, it also takes us into history and the origin of the famous dish of Kerala known as avial. Okay, so it is actually a realistic story. It let us know the starting of the dish avial, which is a famous dish of Kerala. So we shall learn from this story that even the waste products can be used for a great purpose. So we can become creative with them to avoid unnecessary wastage. Okay, have you understood it properly?
yes, ma'am.
And baby, you also respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we are going to the summary, means about what the story is. Okay, the overall story. So Wonderful West is a story that tells us about the origin of the famous dish from Kerala known as veal. Okay, so it is the origin, how it started making. Avial. Okay. Moreover, this story also tells us how we can utilize waste by getting creative. The story is about a cook in a palace who once. Okay, you just mute yourself. Okay. Moreover, this story also tells us how we can utilize waste by getting creative. Okay, the story is about a cook in a palace who once faced an order from the king for using up the waste of the vegetables. So you can see in the story that the king ordered the cook to make something by this waste, right? And don't throw it. So he started thinking that what can I make with this waste? Thus, it tells us how he incorporated his creativity and made use of waste and turned it into something absolutely wonderful. Further, this story throws light on the famous dish avial and how this incident led it to become a traditional dish of Kerala. So later it became a traditional dish of Kerala, which was once a waste. The story step by step narrates the whole recipe of avial. This is very interesting thing that we can get the whole recipe there of avial and we can make it by our own in our own home, right? You can also try and names the ingredients the cook used in his dish along with the waste material. So here you can also get the name of the ingredients that the cook used in avial. The whole recipe is explained there in the story. Above all, it is quite an interesting real story which will make students appreciate even the waste products and get creative with them to avoid unnecessary wastage. So, from the story, you are learning that you can be creative with the waste and you will avoid unnecessary wasting. You will try to make proper use of waste, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, okay. Okay, I am going to the detailed explanation. Before that, I will like you to read the story. Okay, okay. I am sharing the text screen as well. Okay, you please start reading the story. You have the story with you, both of you.
Yes, ma'am. The story is set in the
No, no,
kingdom
not the
of.
slide, not the slide. You read the story. Okay. Here is the explanation. You start reading the story. Okay, I am sharing the screen. Wait,
Ma'am, once the Maharaja of.
wait. I am sharing the screen. Where is it? Okay, you can see my screen.
No, no.
No. Okay, wait. I don't know what happened. Share screen. Okay, now you can say.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is chapter 1.
Yes, I am going to the next chapter.
Ice cream man.
Okay, start from here.
Ma'am, this.
Yes, start reading. Himanshu, first you start.
Okay, ma'am. Once the Maharaja of Travancore
Travancore. Travancore.
Travancore ordered a grand dinner. His place in the afternoon. Before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to
Survey.
survey the dish that has
Had been
has been had been
prepared.
prepared for the feast. What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? He asked the cook. The in
Pointing.
pointing to the basket of surf. Never the cook replied, "This is waste. He will tell will
Throw them
we will
away.
throw them away. You cannot waste all these and bits and pieces of
Pieces.
vegetable. Find a way to use them."
Okay.
Use them. The Maharaja
Commanded sternly.
commanded stoning and walked away.
Okay,
The
so
cook
wait. Okay, listen the pronunciation. Okay, okay, you just mute
Yes,
yourself for a little and follow me. Okay,
okay.
okay. Once the
Yes.
okay, mute yourself. I'm starting. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In the afternoon, before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. What are you going? Please mute yourself, otherwise, I can't say. Mute yourself properly. Okay. What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? He asked the cook, pointing to the basket of scraps near the cook. The cook replied, "There are waste. We will throw them away." You cannot waste all these bits and the pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them. The Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. Okay, have you listened me? Now I am sharing the meaning. Okay, means explanation. Okay, here is the explanation. The story is set in the kingdom of Travancore in India. So the story taking a place means it is about an incident, a real incident that took place in Travancore, India. Okay. The king of the palace was organizing a feast in his palace. So the king was arranging a feast in his palace. So the cook was busy in the kitchen with the preparation of various foods. In order to make sure everything is going on perfectly, the king decides to go into the kitchen for inspection. He wanted to know that whether everything is going right way. Okay, that's why he went to the kitchen. When he pays a visit to that kitchen, there was something odd that catched his attention. So he saw something that was odd for him. What was that? He found a lot of vegetable scraps in a basket which was of no use and treated as waste. So there are some waste of vegetables that was odd for the king. Upon seeing these, the king orders the cook to not waste those scraps. So he ordered the cook that don't waste this scrap. Instead, he commands him to make use of them in a wise manner. So he's commanded the cook that you should use it in a proper way. Reuse these scraps. Thus, it leaves the cook confused and baffled. So the cook was very confused and clueless that he don't know how to use it properly. So he started thinking about it. Okay, again I am sharing the screen. Okay. Okay, next read from here. Suddenly, baby, you read. The cook. Read from here. Baby, are you there? Okay, Himanshu, you read. Baby never responses.
Okay, no. The cook was in a
The fix.
fix and keep starting at the
No
vegetable
staring.
shop.
Staring.
A steady, a steady for some time. Suddenly,
At the
and
vegetable
I
scraps for some time.
yes, and the vegetable strive for some time. Suddenly,
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 an idea
an idea was fastest through his mind. He told he
took
told all the vegetable bits wax and them clean them will
well.
and they he cut
Okay, wait.
cut
Wait. Okay. I am reading it and follow me. Follow my pronunciation. Okay. So the king walked away. Then what happened? The cook was in a fix and kept stirring at the vegetables. Okay, sorry. Okay. The cook was in a fix and kept stirring at the vegetables scraps for some time. So he was thinking that what happened? What will happen? Suddenly, an idea flashed across his mind. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them and cleaned them well. Then he cut them into long strips. Okay, now I am going to the share. Okay, so the cook was thinking hard. Suddenly, an interesting idea comes to his mind. He takes up all the vegetable scraps and washes them and cleans them properly. Okay, so you can understand that he was thinking hard that what to do with the scraps. Then suddenly he got an idea. He takes up all the vegetable scraps and washes them and cleans them properly. Then he starts cutting them into long strips. After that, the cook tosses them all in a pot and lights to fire to cook it. So he thought an idea and he started accordingly. He first washes the and then what he did, cleans them proper. So sorry, he first cleans them properly, then he starts cutting them into long strips. After that, the cook tosses them all in a pot and lights to fire to cook it. So he started cooking it. Okay, got it?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, understood it properly. Any problem, any doubts?
No, miss.
Both of you, baby, you have any problem till now?
No, miss.
Okay. Okay, again. Okay. Read from here. Then he cut them into long strips. Himanshu, you did. Himanshu, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read.
Okay, ma'am. He put them in a hug of
Huge
pot,
pot.
put pot and place it one and fire to cook. Next, the ground some fresh coconut, green chili and jalgers. Together, he adds the paste of some surf to the cooked vegetable. A
Tempting smell.
tempting small start coming from the pot. He is dipping some curd and add it to the curry.
Hmm.
He is also support a few of some force of coconut oil and destroy this with curry leaves. To the behold, this new dish was ready. The cook survived this new dish to the grace them
That evening.
That evening, everyone was eager to know what is name in the new dish. The cook thought and thought them a name come to his mind. He named it Evel.
Okay, a wheel.
Evel become famous all of Kerala, and he is new of one dish in Kannau's Kerala first
Traditional
and
Kerala feast.
celebration Kerala feast and image it all come a vastic of waves.
Okay, so again I am reading. Follow me, okay? There was many wrong pronunciation. Okay. Okay. He put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. Next, he ground some fresh coconut, green chilies, and garlic together. He added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. A tempting smell started coming from the pot. Now he whipped some curd and added it to the curry. He also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. Lo and behold, the new dish was ready. The cook served this new dish to the guests that evening. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. The cook thought and thought, then a name came to his mind. He named it a veal. A veal. There is the pronunciation. Okay, a veal. A veal became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. And imagine it all came from a basket of waste. Okay, I am sharing the explanation. Okay. To the scraps, the cook adds grounded coconut. So here you can see the recipe. Okay, all the ingredients and the whole recipe of a veal. Okay. To the scraps, the cook adds grounded coconut, green chilies, garlic, and salt. These enhances the flavor of the dish and he cook it well. After that, the cook whips some curd and adds it to the boiling curry. Moreover, he also pours a few spoonfuls of coconut oil. These entire flavors combine to give the dish a nice aroma and look. So, you can understand the recipe from here. Have you learned it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you will try it in your home. Are,
Okay, ma'am.
are you going to try it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Let me know how was the taste, okay? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Finally, he garnished the dish with curry leaves. Garnished means decorated, okay? With curry leaves. And it is ready at last, and everyone ends up liking the dish a lot. So everybody liked the dish a lot. It was very tasty. Thus, the cook names this dish avial, which goes on to become popular all over Kerala. So it became a popular dish. And now it is a part of a traditional Kerala feast, which was once West. So it was once a West. Please mute yourself, dear.
What, ma'am?
Please mute yourself, or a echo is happening. Okay. So what happened? Have you muted? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself. Okay, so what happened? Everyone was asking that what is the name of this dish because it is very tasty. So he was thinking that what can be the name because he is making it for the first time. So after thinking for a long time, he decided a name that was avial. Okay, so the cook said that the name of this recipe is avial. Okay, so this became later it became famous in Kerala, and now it is a part of a traditional Kerala feast which was once a West. So now it has become a tradition of Kerala that in every nice feast or any invitation party there will be a dish named avial. That is a traditional one. Okay, so you got to know how this dish started. It was started from West. Okay, but it was very tasty and also a good lesson for us that we can use West properly and we can thus avoid the wastage. Okay. Okay, so you have understood the story or any problem with meaning or anything?
No, me.
Okay, you have understood it very well, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now I'm going to the exercise part.
Okay.
Okay, so the first question is what were the preparations in the palace for? Means what was the occasion? Means why the cook was making some beautiful dishes? Can you answer?
What, ma'am?
First question, what were the preparations in the palace for? Means for what occasion the cook was preparing such beautiful dishes? Can you answer me
Ma'am,
that?
getting dinner.
What?
Ma'am, getting dinner.
Dinner, for dinner. See the text and answer properly. Baby, you also try.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, miss.
Yes, say me. What will be the answer of the first question? Can you answer?
No, me.
Okay.
Thank
So
you.
Okay, so the answer will be the preparations were made for a grand dinner in the palace of the Maharaja of Travancore. Okay, so the king arranged a party. That's why means a feast. That's why the cook was preparing such beautiful dishes. Okay. Okay, so write the answer. The preparations. Open your copy. You have copy with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then open it and write.
Yes, ma'am. Say
The preparations were made.
the
Preparations. Preparations. Pre.
स्क्रीन पे दिखाई दे रहा है
What?
मैम स्क्रीन पे दिखाई दे रहा है का मीनिंग
Okay, okay, very good, very good. Okay, the preparations were made for a grand dinner.
preparation made to the grand
Dinner in the palace